Definition for GLP. Good laboratory practice is a quality of management control that governs how non-clinical laboratory studies are planned, performed, monitored, record, report, and hardship, ensuring the reliability, integrity, and reproducibility of data for regulatory purposes. 4. Good manufacturing practice is a system that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards, so they are safe, effective, and meet regulatory requirements.
So now let's move on to key principles of GLP, which is good laboratory practices. So first and foremost, you need to have clear organizational structure and define responsibilities so people easy to know that. Second is qualified, trained, and competent laboratory personnel. The third one is proper laboratory facilities and equipment maintenance. Also, we need to have a use of written standard operation procedure SOP, so we should follow the SOP. After that, we need to have accurate documentation and record keeping, and also qualified assurance programs and audit, and last, proper handling and storage of test samples and substances. So now let's move on to key principle of GMP, or also known as good manufacturing practices. So first is trained and competent manufacturing personnel. The second one is you have to have a clean and controlled production environment, validated equipment and manufacturing processes, written SOP and batch manufacturing records, quality control testing of raw material and finished products, product labeling, packaging, storage and distribution, complete documentation and traceability, and also proper handling and storage of test samples and substances.
As the guidelines of GLP and GMP are, GMP, you need to have quality assurance, which consists of the product that must be consistently safe and effective as well as high of quality. Proper documentation is also important for GMP, as SOPs and records are within the accurate and complete in any way. And qualified personnel is a must also, so you need to have trained staff, clean premises, and a suitable equipment. As for the GLP, you need to have at least a study planning, a data integrity, and documentations, so it assures all of the recordings are accurate and relatable. And you also need quality insurance in both GLP and GMP. As for the GMP, it is more to the independent of the QA question answers audits to ensure compliance and credibility of the result.
Good afternoon, madam. My name is Ritya Subramaniam and my metric number is U42400053. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of good laboratory practice and good manufacturing practice, which is GLP and GMP. First, they ensure product quality. GLP guarantees that testing results are accurate and reliable, while GMP ensures that every product is manufactured to consistent high standard. This means fewer errors, better outcomes, and safer products. Second, they protect patient safety by detecting risks early and preventing contamination mistakes. GLP and GMP help safeguard the people who rely on this product, whether it's medicine, food, or cosmetics. Third, the confirmed product efficacy. A product is only useful if it works internet. GLP provides the scientific evidence and GMP that every batch performs consistently. Fourth, there support regulatory compliance. GLP and GMP help organizations meet national and international standards, making it easier to gain product approval and avoid costly legal issues. And finally, they build trust and confidence. When GLP and GMP follow the professional and on the public, like can trust the products they are useful and safe, effective and backed by solid science. In short, in summary, GLP and GMP aren't just a technical requirements, they are ethical commitments to quality, safety, and responsibility. Last but not least, we have finally moved to conclusion. In conclusion, good laboratory practice and good manufacturing practice are the cornerstone of quality and safety in science and healthcare. GLP ensures that the data of produce is reliable and trustworthy, while GMP guarantees that the products reaching patients are consistently safe and effective. Together, they protect lives, uphold global standards, and build confidence in every discovery and innovation. By committing to GLP and GMP, we are not just following guidelines, we are embracing excellence and integrity and responsibility in everything we do. Thank you.